This is a review for the WordPress Socio Dynamo plugin. As you can see, we have the Elite version here. That's the third version. It includes all the versions underneath. If we go to the settings here, we have all of our keys and everything entered. Back to the main page is the Socio Dynamo Elite. We have categories. I have already added categories: basketball, swimsuits, football, Clayton Thorson. From there, we can go to just click here and then click add, and it'll drop it down into this area. After that, you can have edit posts. As you can see here, they have no posts edited yet. We can also go to the campaigns, where I have not created any campaigns yet, so we'll show you all this stuff and how to do it. You can go to the pages. Before you do anything, you have to create a page, and then it goes there. I've already created basketball, Clayton Thorson, and football helmets. We'll go up here and hit add new, and we can click on the swimsuits page. So I'll just type in swimsuits here, add this, and then you go over here to the Socio Dynamo template. Hit publish, and then you're good to go. After that, you can select all of the different custom settings within the Socio Dynamo template. So you scroll down here, that's a theme option, hide that. Show page title, show search, show category. You can say all the categories you want to show, hit all. This is the featured position. It's a big red bar at the top of the page. You can just disable that so that will show you. After this, you have these post settings. Down here, this is the post settings. It says page widgets, but it really should be post. So here you can check where you want them to show up. And we'll drag the categories into the left head sidebar and the recent posts into the right sidebar. All of these widgets here come from the WordPress widgets section. You can add them to any of the Socio Dynamo posts. Now if we go up to the top and hit update the page, so that it will save all of the settings we just applied. From there we go to the Socio Dynamo Elite regular main menu. We can hit categories or campaigns. What we'll do is check the campaigns. We're going to add new campaigns, so we'll add one for each page. The first campaign we'll do swimsuits. Then we can go over here, type in where we want it to come from: Twitter, Facebook, Amazon, eBay, and scroll down. We have Commission Junction and YouTube. We don't have Commission Junction set up, so we'll skip that. Keywords, just type in swimsuits here, or whatever keywords you like, but we're just going to keep it real simple so that I can show you what this plugin does and what it doesn't do and how it works and doesn't work. After you type in the keywords, you go select the category you want it to go to. We want swimsuits, and then periodicity in minutes. So what we'll do is probably just type in like 1,000 minutes or something like that. Click save, and then it shows up below. We can redo this. We'll do football helmets, and we'll leave the sources the same. Change the keywords to football helmets. Then over here, add to the correct category, football helmets, and you can just leave the minutes the same. Hit save, and we'll continue doing this for each new category and new campaign. And what this campaign will do is it automatically grabs posts from the sources and then directs them to your page. So hit save. And we can change this to minutes, doesn't matter, so we'll put 1200 there just to give you an idea. You can click anything you want. Here they all are below. The last one we'll do is the Clayton Thorson, Thorson, and then change the keyword. We'll just do it to his name, and since he doesn't have products on eBay or Amazon, we'll just do YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter. So on his page, we will only expect to see products from YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter. That is it. There should be nothing else. And we'll go Clayton Thorson, 900 minutes, save. And there they are. There are all the categories. They're all enabled. And then if you want, you can run the campaigns now. They've already been ran when you added them. Now we can go over here, pages, or you can go up here. We'll just visit site. So hit visit site, open a new tab for you. And here's our nice home page. Here's our menu with all of our new pages. As you can see, the last one we added, swimsuits, was up there. So we'll click on basketball. Wait a minute now. This is the basketball page, and we have all kinds of swimsuits on here. We have different bikinis, different videos, different swimsuit games, swimsuit models. all kinds of swimsuit stuff on the basketball page. What happened? Why did this work? Well, it's one of the defects in the Socio Dynamo campaign tool. It doesn't distinguish between your keywords. So let's see what happens when we click on a post. While we wait for that to load, we can go back and check on our keywords. We go back here to our campaigns list, and you'll see in the basketball campaign, we have basketball as the keyword. Basketball, that's our only keyword, and it's posting to the basketball category. Yet on our page, we have swimsuits. Here's our post that we loaded, and over here, here's our football gear. Notice that red bar at the top that's in our way. This is the recent post over here. Again, we disabled this big red header thing. It's still here in all of our posts. It's very annoying. You can't see. There's also no top navigation menu, so there's no way to get back to our home page or even our Socio Dynamo main page other than deleting this and enter. And here we are back to the home page. Let's check a different one, football helmets. Okay, football helmets, here we are. Well, keep in mind, no top menu. Here's the Clayton Thorson one. Here's basketball on this page. Another March Madness deal. Let's go back to a different page. Delete and load, and here we go. So try swimsuits. What do we have here? Okay, swimsuits. First thing I see is a little thing for football helmets. We've got football helmet technology. We've got the basketball owls. We've got a basketball here, another basketball, football helmets all over the place. Some swimsuits down here. So we do have some swimsuits on the swimsuit page. But again, look at this. It's totally not following our keywords. No menu at the top. Go over here, look at Clayton Thorson. Clayton Thorson's our keyword, basketball, basketball. All these keywords are exactly what we specified, yet on the page we have additional products. And this error occurs on all of our pages, not only one. Now, remember on the Clayton Thorson page we only had Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube checked. So let's go here and check it out. Right here, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter. See, Amazon, Commission Junction, and eBay are not selected. So we'll go to our Clayton Thorson page. Right here, we see all these different things. What's this? NFL football helmet playoff. Temple Owls. Nothing related to Clayton Thorson. So we'll click on this. And we have a nice product page. Click on that. Where does it go? Amazon. We didn't even put anything related to Amazon. Look at here. Amazon is not selected. Yet, we have Amazon products on the Clayton Thorson page. What's going on? It didn't retrieve anything. The Clayton Thorson page, we have Amazon products. We didn't want Amazon products. So not only is it pulling the wrong products from our other pages, but it is also pulling products to the page that you don't specify. Basically, it doesn't work properly. And it doesn't matter how you select the post. Even if you manually select your products, it still posts the wrong posts. Now, let's try to get that top menu put on our page. So if we go here, scroll down, you can see here are the widget areas. So we'll go to menu, custom menu. Okay, so we'll grab that, put it on the header. That would be at the top of the page. Headers are at the top. We go down here, main menu, so that's what we'll check. We'll check our main menu. As you can see, appearance, we'll go over here and show you that indeed we did call it main menu. Okay, right there, main menu. And here are all of the items on our menu. You saw this on the home page. That's where it was displayed, all of these different categories, all these things on the main menu. So we go back here, main menu, there it is, hit save. Okay, you can see there it's saved so that it is indeed going to be placed in the header. We go up here, we'll hit update. Now the page will be saved. Okay, let's see how it is. Page updated, view the page. Open that up. Okay, here we go. There's no menu up here at the top of our page. However, Socio Dynamo support, when I contacted them about this, they said, well, that will only show up in the posts. Okay, so let's click on a post. Here's the post for Temple Owls. Not only did it not load properly, but there is no menu up here, just our search bar and this annoying red featured bar. So let's go back and try a different one. We know this Football Pro Helmet one worked because we viewed that many times. Okay, so it worked. Again, annoying red bar, no header. Where is the header even there? There's no header up here. And that bar stays in our way the whole time. So the header didn't work. I even gave Dynamo support a login for my website, and they were unable to get the menu to function like a WordPress menu. Apparently, if there are more than 3 items, Dynamo menus don't work. Now, let's say you don't have a nice homepage like this that features a different product, and you have a domain name that you want to showcase that domain. So you want to showcase ClaytonThorson.com because it's, after all, his domain name. So we'll go to Clayton Thorson, your Socio Dynamo created page. By taking this and you hit customize and you go to static front page because it's a WordPress plugin, so this is all standard WordPress theme options. Front page to be Clayton Thorson. Then we will save and publish that, and you can see it hits saved, so we can go now to ClaytonThorson.com and it will come up right to our beautiful Socio Dynamo homepage. However, when we click on a post, it goes to a not found 404 error page. What's going on? We have our standard menu up there on the WordPress theme, but we're still on an error page. Let's go back and try a different one. We know this football helmet post worked because it's worked before. Click on it. There it is, 404. It's not found. It was found earlier, but now it's not. We have our menu again up here, so let's go back. Okay, we're on the Clayton Thorson page. It's 404 not found, so let's try a different page maybe. We'll go click here, go to football helmets, swimsuits or basketball. Let's try swimsuits. And here we are. All the swimsuits are located on this page, as you can see. In addition, there are all kinds of posts that we don't want on this page that are being posted here anyway. Let's click on one. 404. They were working earlier, and now they aren't. So let's try basketball. Okay, here again, this is our football one on the basketball page. Doesn't make any sense. Click on it. Oh, wait a minute now. It works. It didn't work on the football page, but it works on the basketball page. Let's try a different one. Okay, basketball. This one works. So the basketball page works for some reason, but the others don't. And again, no menu at the top, so you still have to navigate with the back button. There's no menu here, so we still have to delete this and go back to the home page. The home page is our Clayton Thorson Socio Dynamo page. I contacted support about this, and they said that Socio Dynamo pages cannot be used as home pages. But let's try one more option. We can go to the Socio Dynamo website. This it says right here on the Socio Dynamo page that you can schedule your posts to automatically create traffic to your pages. Post scheduling right there on the sales page. However, there is no ability here to schedule posts. We have the categories and campaigns. When I contacted support, they said this. I said, I watched all the videos. I have a question on how I can schedule posts. However, I am unable to do so. I know the campaign feature works, but it doesn't work properly, as we saw. Here's the response. I'm sorry to say it is not available. You cannot set schedule posts using Socio Dynamo. If you have any other questions, let me know. So clearly, they are creating false advertising saying you can schedule posts when you can't. That is one of the many problems of the Socio Dynamo plugin for WordPress. Therefore, in conclusion, the Socio Dynamo plugin for WordPress is not very good because the widget areas don't show up. In addition, they are not expansive if you have content that's too large for the widget area. The menu doesn't show up on pages. The menu doesn't show up on posts. There is no way to eliminate that big red featured bar on posts, only on pages. There's also no way to schedule your posts. They said there was, so that's false advertising. There's also no way to blacklist a post. So if you get a post on there that you don't want or that isn't fitting in with your keywords, you have to manually delete it. Every single time it retrieves it automatically due to the failed campaign. The campaign doesn't work, as we've showed. It grabs the wrong ones, doesn't put the right products on the right pages. In addition, the products post to the wrong pages. The source function doesn't work. In the Clayton Thorson example, we selected items from non-affiliate sites and we got Amazon items on there. Therefore, based on all of these errors, it would be wiser to save your money and wait until they release either a new version or an update, or someone else comes out with a better option. And that is the review of the Socio Dynamo plugin for WordPress.